Today, let's do a test and find out what interior parts of iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro works interchangeably. Judging by the appearance, iPhone 12 has one less camera than iPhone 12 Pro and the other parts look basically the same. According to official information, the max brightness of iPhone 12 is 625 nits, while the max brightness of iPhone 12 Pro is 800 nits. Before swapping screen, let's use Display Color Analyzer to test the max brightness. The max brightness of iPhone 12 Pro is 822 nits. The max brightness of iPhone 12 is 619 nits. We can see that the max brightness of iPhone 12 is lower than that of iPhone 12 Pro. The reason may be related to the screen or the motherboard. Now let's check it out. Lift the screen and we can see the interior parts of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are arranged basically in the same way except for the rear camera bracket. Remove the display. We can see that the displays and flex cables have the same look. Next, swap two screens, assemble the phone and start testing. Boot up and the screen works well. Important display message and unable to activate Face ID on the iPhone pops up, which indicates the display has encrypted IC. "3D Touch and Touch function work well. Due to swapping, both phones pop up important display message and lose the True Tone function. Test distance sensor on the ear speaker flex and it works well. Test ambient light sensor on the ear speaker and its function remains normal. The above test shows that sensors on the ear speaker are interchangeable except for the encrypted flood illuminator of the Face ID module. Then, let's take a look at how they compare in brightness test when two screens are swapped. The max brightness of iPhone 12 Pro becomes 809 nits with iPhone 12's display. While the max brightness of iPhone 12 becomes 618 nits with iPhone 12 Pro's display. It can be seen that the max brightness of the two models has nothing to do with the display. The cause may be related to the motherboard or iOS system. Through the above test, we can see that the two models' displays are interchangeable. Next, let's compare the other parts of the two models. Remove bracket on the rear camera. Remove the rear camera. The iPhone 12 Pro was found to have one more LiDAR scanner and telephoto lens than iPhone 12. Remove the SIM card tray. Two card trays have the same look and size. Remove the speaker. Two speakers have the same look and size too. Remove the Taptic engine. As expected, two Taptic engines present the same look and size. Put the iPhone 12 Pro's Taptic engine on iPhone 12. Connect the screen and boot up to test. vibration function works well. Next, let's see if two batteries work interchangeably. Remove iPhone 12's battery. Two batteries look the same and have identical capacity. Put the iPhone 12's battery on iPhone 12. Connect the screen and boot up to test. Important battery message pops up, which indicates that BMS used in battery feature an encrypted IC. But when you plug in the charging cable, the phone charges normally. Next, let's see if two Lightning connector flex cables can be interchangeable. Remove the Lightning connector flex cable. The Lightning connector flex cable of both models looks the same. Put the iPhone 12 Pro's Lightning connector flex cable on iPhone 12. Next, assemble the phone and start testing. Tap on the recording button. Play the recording. Recording function works well. Plug in the charging cable. Charging function also works well. Through our tests and comparisons, we finally found that except the camera and the motherboard, almost all other parts of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are compatible.